Hi guys, this is a demonstration of the script that I made to generate composition based on the test file. For that, I have several examples here. I will start with the lower third. So I have a lower third here. This is a document. I have 12 names and title, job descriptions. So the word is how this works is I take a text file and put it in After Effects, select the composition that I want to duplicate based on that text file, and I press this button, generate composition. And it will generate all the composition inside. And then I have another button, so this script is 2-in-1. I will click the next button and I will have a preview of all the composition inside. The good thing is it can be updated. For example, if I want to change the first name to, instead of Pedro, let's put Paul. And then instead of Samantha, let's say Lisa. I will save this and go back here, delete the composition, keep the original, this one here, and delete the preview. Okay, so I'm back. I don't have to import the text file again, can be there. Okay, and now I select the composition again, press the same button, it will regenerate. So here, instead of Pedro, I have Paul. The second composition, instead of Samantha, I have Lisa, and it's updated. It will generate the preview so I can check everything at the same time. So this script is very powerful in the way that it will save a lot of time. It's super flexible because you can update the text file as many times as you want. You can even, for example, delete, let's delete these 3 names and save, regenerate again, delete the preview, and now select the text file, the composition that I want to generate. So instead to do 12, now it's gonna be create only 9, and then I create a preview. And the preview is also smart, so it will crop depending on the amount of composition that you have. So this is the version in English, so it also works in different languages. As long as the composition that you have here is working, the script, what it does is duplicate that composition as many times is in the text file here. So I have another example is in Arabic, and I keep part of the English text. So you know what it's saying here. So this is the name, this is the title, and this is a kind of the job description of the guy. So I will delete the text file from the After Effects, drag and drop the Arabic version, and then I only have to select the compositions and generate. Select everything and grid preview. And that way I can check that all the lower thirds are working correctly. So this is another example. This another case scenario when you have a situation that you have to create different messages for a video, for example. And in this case, I have the animation is already done. So again, this is the text file. As you see, are named 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 25. So I do the same. I take marketing text file, put in the After Effects, select the composition that I want to generate, and generate. When the generation is done, I select all the composition generated and grid preview, and I will see everything that has been created. And then I can check everything at the same time. That way I can spot mistakes if there is one. And I can go back, fix the template animation in After Effects, or fix the update the text file, and that way everything is done. Most of the time this content is coming from the producer or the client or the supervisor of the project, the director, and once you have it, it's just a matter of putting here, and in 1 second you have your work done. And just you can spend more time doing a creative job instead of repetitive job. So this is about marketing. I have two more examples, sorry. For example, create these messages for an agency. Let's do the same. Drag and drop, select the composition. This is the animation of the text. Select the composition based on the text file. In this case, I have 20 messages to generate. It will generate automatically quickly, and then I can check everything in one place. And I can share this with the client or the supervisor, and they can see that everything is going in the right direction. Okay, and the last example is a collection of quotes from different resources, people and human history. And drag and drop here. I should have only one text file at the time, so I will delete the creative, keep the venture. Let's put it here to see what it says. So you see, and then select the composition, generate, and click preview to see that everything is working. So in this way, I believe the script is very powerful in the way that it saves a lot of time. It will reduce mistakes considerable. You don't have to do a copy and paste from text file to After Effects. You don't have to go here and copy, come here, paste. You don't have to do that. The text file do that for you automatically. So to be able to install the script, you need to go to Program Files, Adobe, at Listen window, Program Files, Adobe After Effects 2023 in this case, but it should work for the next versions. Support Files, Script, and Script UD UE panels. So you copy and paste. You need to provide administrator permissions. So yeah, once the script is here, I need to restart After Effects. So once the After Effects is restarted, you go to Windows and it should be here. So I have a bunch of scripts here, but it's this one, Auto Messages. It could be something like this. If you got something like this, you only have to drag and drop and put it wherever you want. And then, yeah, this is the button that generates the compositions, and this is the button that creates the previews.